Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Drawing a Nose. Just like eyes, there are so many types of noses, but you don't need to practice drawing each of them. Once you get to know how to draw a standard looking nose shape, you'll be able to draw any type of nose. In today's demonstration, I'll show you how to draw the front view of an ideally shaped nose using my imagination without any reference. Take a close look at my demonstration and see how I start to finish with my shading techniques. Alright, let's go. Step 1. Loose line sketching. First, I'll start with a simplified shape with the three planes, top plane and two side planes. Then I'll draw a circle at the top and the curved lines on each side as the wings, nostrils, and two side planes of the nose. After that, I'll draw a cupid bow and the lips. Step 2. Gaussian shading. I'll start shading the nose with the medium values. Adding the dark shadow lines under the nose and dark accents to the depressions around the nose rings and darker nostrils. Step 3. Add darker values. Using a charcoal pencil, I sharpen the edges and add more contrast to the drawing, making it appear more real. Step 4. Add more contrast. I'll increase the value of contrast to finalize the drawing. now I think it is done and time to drop the pencil. I hope this episode gave you some ideas on how to draw a nose realistically. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. And if you give me your feedback, I appreciate it. Your feedback will help me catch an idea of how I can help you more. In the next episode, I'll show you how to draw a different angle of a nose. Thanks for joining me again.